Hello, welcome. My name is Melissa, and I have a mint Mongoose package to open with you. They always have this beautiful metallic blue packaging. Um, so I'm going to open it up real quick. Let's see. I think I see a Werther's in there. It always comes with a Werther's candy. Let's see. This is, I believe it's $16.99 for this subscription, and you can make the option if you want gold, rose gold, or silver, or you can say surprise me. I did go with gold because I generally prefer gold. But this is cute. It says beauty in the process, and then on the back shows the products that you get. It said, and then it gives you a little letter that tells you about their inspiration. It says, "Hi there. This month's set is inspired by the words beauty in the process." The set. I was driving with my kiddos in the car the other day. The kind of drive without a specific destination in mind, but rather just something to itch the craving of wanting to see a bit of the world. As we turned into the neighborhood, these words came across the radio station we were rocking out to. Sometimes we ask God to help us grow, then we complain when it starts to rain. Those words bounced around in my head for a while, and for some reason they really struck a chord with me. How often in my life have I been less than thrilled with the path it took to get me from point A to point B? Often. I was reminded how important it is to find the beauty in the process and not just impatiently await the destination. We spend much more time on the way than we do at the destination, and that gives us a huge opportunity to shift our focus from solely the destination to finding beauty in what it took to get there. I thought, what better a way to embody the many paths we will travel than with the lines found in the one of nature's truest beauties, marble. The thin black lines in this piece, changing in thickness and direction as they travel, are a perfect illustration of that. Just like most realizations I stumble across in this crazy life of raising little humans, I decided to create a jewelry that set around the concept to share my tidbit with you in a tangible way. As usual, I wanted to pack meaning into every bit of this set, including the size of the pieces. I wanted to shoot for a dainty collection. Why? Because my young kiddos naturally get this concept. While they are always excited to arrive, they have just as much, if not more, fun on the way. I hope that when you wear it, the thin, sleek lines of this set remind you to take a moment to appreciate the journey just as much as the destination. Aw, cute inspiration. Okay, so let's see what they look like. I'm gonna sit down because I'm on my feet. Okay. Okay, and then it has that cute little stamp of the mongoose. I'm gonna open this up. Okay. Whoop, there's a ring in there. It fell out. Okay, and the other pieces are wrapped up. Okay. And then it gives you a little card that says thank you. And then shows like the social media things you can apply for or follow. I mean, open sesame. Come on. Aha. All right. So I got a gold, like looks like little woven ring. This is very cute and dainty. Just kind of simple. I will definitely wear that. It's cute. My engagement ring is silver, so maybe I'll wear it on the side. It is adjustable. Like you just like squeeze it together to make it fit. I did have to squeeze it a little bit. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, it's got 2 other items in here. Okay, this looks like it's going to be a necklace. And it does have the little loops to adjust the length. That's very pretty. Look at that marble. And those are the lines she was talking about. I do have a necklace on, but there's that. Okay, one more. Oh, and they're earrings. So we got earrings, a necklace, and a ring this time. Last time I got layering necklaces, so I got 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings. Those are cute. I do like that. That is too cute. And you could probably layer this with the last one because it was, well, mine was gold and it was like a sunflower. So I wonder if that would look cute layered with this. But that's my knit Mongoose this month. This one was for February, I believe. This is March. Yeah, so I think this was for February. But anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.